Hey everybody, we're going to start talking about how to completely get rid of remainders in our division problems. So we're going to start by doing problem number 2, that's a 2, on page 113 of our small book. Now in this problem we're going to start with 25 and we are going to be dividing 405 by 25. Now, we're going to go about this just like normal division. 25 goes into 40 just once. I know that because there's 25 cents in a quarter, so 2 quarters would be 50, so 25 goes into 40 once. I know that 1 times 25 is, well, 25. And if I subtract, I know that I have to borrow from this 4, make it a 3, make this a 10. 10 minus 5 is, well, 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. And now I have 15. So now I need to bring down another 5, which gives me 155. So now I need to do 155 divided by 25, which sounds tricky, but once again, I can just do 100, I can just think of 25 as quarters. 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150. That gets me 6. So I know that 6 times 25 is 150. Here's where things start to get different, because when I subtract these, I have a remainder of 5. Now, I started with 405, which is exactly the same as 405.0. So I can add a 0.0 here, and it doesn't change this number at all. 405 is the same as 405.0. However, if I have a decimal point, I now need to put it up into my answer. So my answer is going to be 16 point something. This also makes sense if we think about what this means. If there's only 5 down here as a remainder and I have 25, I clearly cannot get an entire group of 25 into 5. So I need a decimal point, which means that the next number will be less than 1. So now that I've added my 0, I bring it down. This becomes 50. 25 goes into 50 twice. And I now have 16.2 instead of 16 remainder 5. This is a more accurate answer.